Allie's Tutoring, and I just got the Google Home Mini. And I've heard a lot of buzz about this little guy, some artificial intelligence stuff, and I was really excited to get it. So, just looking at the box, it's just a cubicle box, very sleek design. It's got Google Home Mini on the front, and it says that it can answer questions, set alarms and reminders, make hands-free calls, and even play music. I think this would be a really good thing to use for homework as well as just everyday stuff, so let's unbox it. It's got some plastic around it. It's not going to be one of those satisfying videos, I don't think. It comes off pretty easily. Comment below if you have one of these. I'll have to keep giving you guys some updates about how I feel about it. Okay. Got a little flap on the bottom to open. Now, just a note, if you want to do things like play YouTube videos, audio on this, or make calls, you're going to need an Android device or iOS. So I got it open. It is adorable. I actually got the white one. It looks a little bit more charcoal, but I still like it. It's got a red Google icon on the bottom, and it's very hands-free design. I can see it's got a power button here, and it's also got the outlet button area so that you can just plug it in. I think it has a very sleek design, looks very easy to use. Now the rest of the box is the little area it was inside of, and I'm sure there's a power cord in here. It's got a nice big instruction manual. It don't look big in the box, but it's smaller. And of course we got our cord. I know it's a very attractive cord. I like how it's a circle, like the actual Google Home Mini. That's a little different. Easier to see amongst your other cords. So I got the cord, I got the little Mini. And that seems to be all there is in this box. There wasn't much to look at, but we got our manual, the Mini itself, and the cord. Okay Google, what's the speed of light?
299,792 kilometers per second. Here's
Okay Google, when did Hammurabi die?
Hammurabi died in 1750 BC.